In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can edit ramps here in Fortnite and actually use them here in real fights. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now obviously a ramp is going to be made up of a bunch of different edit tiles. And these are actually super underrated. Once you do learn how to use them correctly, they're going to give you a huge advantage in close range situations. But to actually edit something like a half ramp, for example, all you need to do, and for whatever reason I have simple edit turned on right now, is just look at one half of the ramp and then of course just select one side, either the left or right, and just drag it all the way up. Once you do that, you'll be able to simple edit just like so, or just edit like normal as well. It's really about crosshair placement the most. Another thing that you can obviously do is just rotate it the opposite direction, just like so. This is by far one of the easiest ones, and you could just click and drag this or just, use simple edit like I'm using right now as well. If someone's in front of you, you can quickly edit just like this in order to rotate it. And then of course you can do this consistently no matter really where you're facing on this. So just keep that in mind. This is especially helpful if you're trying to push forward. It's super nice. A strong play though is obviously using a ramp edit inside of a box. So let's say there's a box fully around this. You could go ahead and do a quick little rotate, of course, and then go ahead and use your pump to take them out. Or you could do like a half edit, for example, just like so. There's also the U-shape edit style, which can be useful. I don't think it's the most useful one, but this will obviously block movement and can trap opponents as well, giving you a pretty easy opportunity to line up a shot. It really is that simple though. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out. Let us know that you want more content. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.